In this tutorial, we're going to learn the Select button and the Erase button. But first of all, let's go to Orbit and review our experiment. Can you see anything different? I've added some lines and shapes that weren't there before, but I'm not very happy with them. How can I get rid of them? So, there's two ways of doing this. Let's first try the Select button. By selecting this arrow, we can now select the areas or items that we'd like to remove and delete. Can you see that it's turned a blue colour? Now try deleting with the keypad. There we go, we've removed it. Let's try over here too. It's turned blue. Delete. Let's select this plane. Now it's selected and I accidentally press delete. It shows the insides of your experiment, but I didn't want to do that. So what we do is we go up to Edit, Undo Erase. Let's try that again. I select an area, I delete it, and I've made a mistake. So I go to Edit, Undo Erase. Let's move around the model and see if there's anything else that we want to take away. The Select tool. Let's remove this little shape here. It's turned blue, and then press delete on the keypad, and it's been removed. Now let's try the Erase button. It works in the same way, but you just hover over the shape that you want to remove and then click delete. Go to Orbit, find some other mistakes that we'd like to remove, select the Erase tool, and then click the shape that you would like to remove using your keypad or mouse. Now let's try some other things. Go around the orbit, select the Select tool. Let's try to remove this shape here. Rather than using the Erase tool, let's click the surface until it's highlighted. Using the Shift button, we can also take away or add to that part that we'd like to delete until it's turned blue. Let's try that. Now press the delete on the keypad. It's been removed. Let's try that again. Let's try this section here. We're going to collect this surface until it's turned blue. Now with the Shift button, we can click this section here until it's also turned blue. We want to remove this whole section. Now let's press delete. Gone. Why don't you pause the program here to experiment with these tools?